Hey everyone! Today I'm going to draw a cute little pizza, so let's get started. Let's start from the crust. So the crust is, first of all, we're going to make a circle because we're making a 3D pizza, and obviously the crust will be 3D. I made half a circle and continue. Like that. And now from here we're gonna make like curves and like a wiggly line. Yeah, like that. And same thing on the top. There's the crust. Now let's make the pizza shape. So we're gonna come down from here like a drip of cheese, like that. And from here, let's continue down. And another drip, and again. And let's start from this side and continue making the triangle shape thing for the pizza. So cute. Now let's make the 3D line for it. So from there we're going to start and come down. Like that. And it's also like a drip of cheese. There. Now let's make its eyes. So we're gonna make big circles on that side and one on this side. Okay, now let's make cute eyes on it. So a big circle and a small circle. A big circle and a small circle. Now let's color in it. Okay, now let's color the second eyeball. So okay, and almost done. There we go. Our eyeballs are colored. Now let's make some pepperoni on our pizza. So let's make circles, big circles. And Yeah, like that many pepperoni is good. Let's just make one more on this side. Yeah, that's perfect. Now let's make some, green pepper. So they're cut into shape of sprinkles. So yeah, let's make them. This one's long. And let's make it smile. Oh, it has such a cute smile. Okay, now let's make some drips on our pizza. They're cheese drips. So, yeah, like that. One there and one over here. There we go. And now let's make some dots on our pepperoni. So it looks more like realistic and beautiful. And also some like details on the crust, like lines. I love adding details to my drawing. Okay, my pizza is completed. So tell me that if you like my pizza in the comment section below. Thank you.